Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I am going to talk about how can you export your account statement or transaction history. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to do that, just simply open your Binance application, and after opening the Binance application, you will get to see a bunch of options. Now you just simply have to tap into this wallet option at the bottom right. Tap there, and after going into wallet, just simply go into spot option, and after tapping into spot, you will get to see this little icon into the top right corner. Tap into that icon, and after that you can check all of your transaction history. And if you look at it the same place into the top right corner again, you will get to see a little arrow. Just simply tap to that icon again, and after that you will get the option to download or export your transaction history. Now you just simply have to select the time range that you would like to check. Now I'm selecting this past 3 months option, and you can select the file format, either Excel or PDF. I'm selecting PDF and then tap to export. And after that, your transaction history will successfully be exported or downloaded. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.